Hi and welcome to this short video presentation on looking at moving averages inside of the TUCP charting software. To find the moving averages, come over to settings. That's if you've got a chart loaded. If you want to do this from the off and have a default setting, then you would use the top part. But if you've got a chart loaded and you just want to make changes to this and add on the moving averages, then click in the active chart tab settings there, and then left click on the down arrow to select the moving average options there. So what we're going to do first is make sure that we've got this selected, otherwise we won't get any on the chart. And then below here we have all of the options that are available. So let's just have a quick look at these individually. The first thing we've got is to show the moving average on the chart. We've got an exponential moving average option, the number of bars that we want to show, and then the option to include the open, high, low, close. And basically what this is saying is to use all of these in the calculation of the moving average, or you can choose each individual one. We've then got the long color and the short color, and what this means is that we can have an individual color for the up move and the down move, and I'll change these in just a second. And then we can also change the width of the moving average. This is set at 2. So what we're going to do is to actually show a standard 20 bar moving average. It's calculated off the close, and we'll go with green for the up move when prices are moving higher, but we'll change it to red when they're moving lower, and we'll keep the 2 for the line width set. Then I'm going to left click on apply, and you will see the moving average line appear on the chart, and you will see that when prices are moving lower, you will see the moving average is turned to red and shows green when it's moving higher, and then red when it goes below again. And here at the moment in this trade, you can see the market is moving to the upside, and the 20 bar average is green. So you can also display multiple ones. So let's just for the fun of it put all of these at the sun. We'll change the downside to red just so that we can differentiate in the up and down moves. Click OK, and then we're going to left click once more on apply at the bottom to show these changes on the price chart. And there you can see all of the moving averages displayed, some in green, some in red at the moment. The longer term, which is the black 200 moving average, this is still showing a black there, showing the upside is still intact. And then you've got the 20 bar also crossing the 50 there as well, which is in blue. That's been coming down for a while, but has now switched there as well. So what you're looking for, obviously, if you're going to use a large number of moving averages, to have most of them all trading in the same color, in the same direction. But you can use these in a more subtle way. For example, you've got here, you've got the longer term is still black, so that's showing the upside. And the others to the 20 bar, the fast is moving, so the short term's moving, the medium term's moving higher, and the longer term is higher there as well. So again, a way of using these, you can split the moving averages down into different sort of time frames there. To make things easy, you could just have them all set to green. Let's make sure we've got the same green for all of them. And this would make it easier on the eye and less confusing, but does make it more difficult in establishing which time period you're looking at. So I'm going to click apply now, and there you can see that straight away that all of the averages now are pointing to the buy side in this time frame. So a very useful tool there in displaying this, and we only had a short term, a small window here where we had 3 of the averages that were short here before the market reversed. So pullbacks to these areas as well would be useful as another way of entering the market, again in taking advantage of these swings. But more on that in the trading videos. So that's how you apply the averages to the price chart and also change the colors. And as ever, if you wanted to keep these on the chart, make sure you come up to File and then make sure you click Save, so when you reload, all of the hard work that you've done isn't wasted. Okay, that's it. Any questions, let us know. Other than that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.